Hi everyone, it's Ann, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another project share and I am using the Marigold collection. I am really trying to bust my stash with the Marigold before the new garden party comes out, and I have not received it yet, but I can't wait. I've already seen so many videos, but anyways, let's get started on my project share. So I had purchased this Bow Bunny die and it is the banner tags die. I had seen this by accident somewhere and I just need it. I love all banners. I love all tags. I love hearts. I am a sucker for a banner. So when I purchased this die, I was like, I need to use this right away and incorporate this into my projects. And I love it. I thought it was so cute. I love the little layered pieces that it comes with. So I knew I had to use it right away. So I thought I could do a layered banner. So I pulled out all of my banner dies and then I found this one, and this is from In Love Art Shop and it is a layering die. So I love how you can just really use these two pieces and make it work. So I just wanted to show you a sample. This is one that's undecorated. I wanted to incorporate this scalloped bow ribbon from Hobby Lobby. I've probably had this in my stash maybe a year, maybe two, and I needed to use it. I can't look at it anymore. I'm just like, I need to use this. So look, you guys, I've hit spool. So I'm so excited. It is a beautiful ribbon and I love the scallop. Obviously, the pink bow is everything, but I did cover it up in some areas, but I wanted to use this in this embellishment. I had to. So I took the two banners and I basically just made a sandwich. So I took the big circle one from In Love Arts, then I took a ribbon, then I laid this, and then I did a stitch across, and then I used different deco paper and started from there. And I thought that this was a great way to kind of burn through my papers and through this ribbon, and I'm so excited with what I've created. I've also incorporated some cheesecloth, again, need to use this up, and some mesh tulle that I purchased from AC Moore when they were still open. So let's get into this project share. I'm super excited to show you what I've created, and this is the first embellishment. So again, you could see the cheesecloth here. It's just kind of messy and hanging out, and I love that look. Use the chipboard house. I had no idea how to use it, but I was like, I'm just going to use it. Here is a vellum sticker from the collection, and I just laid it on top of the cheesecloth, and I love how you could still see the outline of it, and it's really not sturdy, but it's there. It's tucked in. It's an element, and that black look to it, so cute. Prima flowers. I have this chipboard bee. I needed to use that chipboard as well, so I loved incorporating this into this project. It keeps it sturdy. And then I took a banner sentiment from the collection, the ephemera pack, and then just tucked it in. And yeah, I love how crazy and shabby and fantastic this looks. You could see the scallop underneath, the little peekaboo here and there. I love that look. And then I have just like thread just hanging out. Yeah, so cute. Here is another one, super simple, and I didn't create all of them super dimensional only because I wanted to kind of have options, and I figured once you make a bag topper, you can add this piece and it's really ready to go. This is I believe a deer from the Bloom collection. I pulled out all of my Maggie Holmes and whatever worked. So I did go around with diamond dots around the deer's neck. I love how sparkly that is. This is a resin heart that I created from a Prima mold, and of course it's not a embellishment without a sentiment. I love that. And then just a little bunch of enamel dots. Again, that scallop peekaboo underneath, and then the offsetting of the different colored papers. So pretty. I'm obsessed. Here's another one, again using the chipboard. I did a little stitching right on the branches. I didn't want to go too crazy. I have a little birdie flower here. I have this sticker that says dreaming of you, and then I added some diamond dots right in the centers of the flowers. Again, super cute. You could see the little peekaboo of a gold sticker, the scallops. The offsetting paper and the pink and the dark green. I love, even though the collection has a lot of dark pieces, I'm obsessed with it. It's probably one of my favorites next to, like, Flourish is also another beautiful collection, but I loved playing with the different colors. This is a rosette die that I've been waiting for from Ali from KS Craft, and I finally got it and I finally put it together. So I took one of my layered embellished hearts and I put it on top, and then I worked from there. I was dying to use it, so of course, what better way to use it in this embellishment? Again, beautiful layered papers. This heart is so cute, and then I just added some little butterflies here. How you shine. This one's a fairly simple one, but I love how cute this came out. I have a semi-flat one here. There's not a lot of dimension, but again, using a lot of the vellum stickers in that sticker book for the Marigold collection, I just love that. I love that book. It's so awesome to pull. I love the contrasting papers. We have a little zigzag situation underneath, but that peekaboo of the scallop just gives it that little romanticness. Even here, I just added one of those vellum stickers. You could see the yellow flowers, and it's just subtle enough that you know it's there, but it's not like in your face. I had another little black vellum sticker underneath. Again, just a little peekaboo. You can't really see it, but you know it's there. I needed to use some trim, so I incorporated one with this beautiful pink trim that I purchased off Ali, and I love how beautiful this came out. I wanted to keep it simple because I wanted the focal point to be this trim, and so I took a delightful chipboard from the collection. I took one of those vellum deers, and then I just backed it on some pink cardstock. The fussy cutting's a little bit hard. Well, I am so bad at fussy cutting, but I love that I wanted her to stick out and just kind of be there. Some random beautiful enamel dots all around, and I love the colors in this. So pretty. And then this one is using a Frank Garcia mold, and this is a resin piece that I created. Again, I've been trying to use up a little bit more of my resin stash as well. I just love this. I added some of that mesh tulle underneath this ephemera piece. This is a little ephemera piece that I did a little stitching around. I have a little sticker that says love this. This little duck or swan. Swan. I just painted the feathers gold, a little gold bowl, and the eye is a little puffy paint. And again, simple and beautiful. I do have this little gold, kind of just doing a little peekaboo underneath. Beautiful. And then last but not least, I have this one here. I wanted the bow to stick out. I wanted it to come out. So I just left that, and then I stuck this part of the banner a little bit more to the offset. So it's a little bit of a longer embellishment, but she's cute. I used some of that cheesecloth. I have a little vellum washi rosette that I stitched, and she's so cute. I added a little diamond dot where her cheek is. And then happy as can be. I love this project share so much. I not only burned through so much of my paper, I just love how romantic they are. Just so beautiful. And I hope you found inspiration and you recreate them as well. Just use the banners that you have in your stash and just use a whole bunch of embellishments. I hope you found inspiration, and that is it for now. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.